Drowning in scheduling chaos, let's cut through the noise and figure out which appointment scheduler, Calendly or Appointlet, will finally bring you scheduling peace. First, features. Calendly boasts robust integrations with Google Calendar, Outlook, and more, plus team scheduling and round-robin options. Appointlet shines with its seamless website embedding, perfect for lead generation, and detailed reporting. Which features are must-haves for your specific needs? Now, let's talk money. Calendly offers a free plan with limited features, but the real power unlocks with their paid tiers. Appointlet also has a free plan, surprisingly generous, especially for single users. Their paid plans are competitive, potentially making them the more budget-friendly option for small businesses. Customization is key for brand consistency. Calendly allows customization of meeting links and branding within paid plans. Appointlet lets you personalize booking pages, email confirmations, and even the booking form's appearance, directly reflecting your brand. Finally, user experience. Both platforms are generally user-friendly, but Appointlet often gets praised for its intuitive setup and quick learning curve, while Calendly's interface is sleek. Some might find it less straightforward initially. The verdict: if you need advanced team features and integrations, Calendly wins. If you are looking for a user-friendly, budget-friendly option with lead generation focus, go with Appointlet. The best choice depends entirely on your unique needs and priorities.